So welcome once again all students. So होप आप लोगों ने होमवर्क कर लिया होगा और मैंने उसके आंसर भी भेज दिए थे. सो ट्राई टू मैच दैट. ओके, see the next example. Differentiate y is equal to square root of x cube with respect to x. So we have given function is square root of sine x cube. We differentiate directly by using the formula of derivative of root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x. So here we are given the root sine x cube. So derivative of this root 1 upon 2 root sine x cube and into derivative of sine x cube. So then derivative of sine is what? Cos x cube and derivative of x cube. So finally we get 1 upon 2 root sine x cube into cos x cube into derivative of x cube by using formula x to the power n, that is 3 into x to the power n minus 1, means 3 into x to the power 3 minus 2, that is 3x square. So finally what we get? See, 3x square into cos x cube divided by 2 into root sine x cube. This is the final answer of derivative of root sine x cube. See the next example which is solved again in your textbook. Differentiate y is equals to cot square of x cube with respect to x. So we are given function is this, y is equal to cot square of x cube. We differentiate with respect to x. So what we get? We write it as, first of all, cot square of x cube is nothing but cot of x cube whole square. So again this is considered as one of the function to the power n. We have to use the formula function to the power n. So the derivative of that is n into function to the power n minus 1, right? So what we get? Here n is 2. So 2 into function is cot x cube to the power 2 minus 1 means 1. So that should not be written here. And derivative of cot x cube, right? Again this is same. And then derivative of cot. What is derivative of cot? That is minus cos x square. And this is minus cos x square of x cube, right? So into derivative of x cube, right? So what we get then next here? 2 cot of x cube minus cos x square x cube, and derivative of x cube is again by using formula x to the power n. So that is 3x square. So finally what we get, see here, this is minus 3 into 2 means 6. So minus 6x square cot x cube into cos x square x cube. This is the final answer of the derivative of cot square x cube, right? See the next example. Differentiate y is equal to log of cos x to the power of 5 with respect to x. Okay, so again we are given y is equal to this given function. Differentiate with respect to x. So what is derivative of log? Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So derivative of log of function is 1 upon function. Here function is cos x to the power 5. So derivative of log 1 upon is cos x to the power 5 into derivative of cos x to the power 5. Then what we see? क्या दिख रहा है? Cos. So derivative of cos minus sin. So derivative of cos x to the power 5 is minus sin x to the power 5. Here it is same, right? 1 upon cos x to the power 5 and derivative of cos is minus sin x to the power 5 and into derivative of x to the power 5. Then minus sin, and we know that sin upon cos is what? Tan. So we got it minus tan x to the power 5. And what is derivative of x to the power 5 by using formula of x to the power n is 5x to the power 4. This is 5x to the power 4, right? So finally what we get? Minus 5x to the power 4 into tan x to the power 5. This is the derivative of log of cos x to the power 5, right? These are the simple composite functions, and the derivative of that is find out by using direct differentiate of that, right? This is the answer for that. See the next example, that differentiate y is equal to this bracket to the power 4 into bracket to the power 3 with respect to s. What is the bracket contain? X cube plus twice x minus 3 and x plus cos x, right? So again if we see this function, we are given, first of all we see that the product of the two bracket, here see the product of the two bracket is given. So we know that if the function is given in terms of the product of two functions, we have to use the product rule. This is the product rule. As we know, if y is equal to u into v, then its derivative is first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So we have to use the product rule here. First of all, see here, it is the first function and this is the second one. So first function is x cube plus twice x minus 3 to the power 4 into derivative of second, that is x plus cos x to the power 3, plus second function x plus cos x to the power 3 into derivative of first, that is x cube plus twice x minus 3 to the power 4, right? Then see here, we have to find the derivative of this x plus cos x to the power 3, that is second function. And if we see, this is in the form of function to the power n, that is x to the power n. X means x plus cos x is the function here. So we have to use the formula function to the power n. So that is what? 3, that is n into function to the power n minus 1. Means 3 into function to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, right. Then so what we get, see here, x cube plus twice x minus 4 3 to the power 4 into 3 into x plus cos x to the power 2 and derivative of this function x plus cos x, okay, plus x plus cos x cube, this is as it is, and derivative of this is again by using same formula, that is 4 into function to the power 4 minus 1, that is 3, and derivative of this function x cube plus twice x minus 3, right? What is the next step then? X cube plus twice x minus 3 to the power 4 into 3 into x plus cos x square into derivative of this x plus cos x. What is derivative of x with respect to x is 1 and derivative of cos x with respect to x is minus sin x, right? And again this is same, x plus cos x cube into 4 into x cube plus twice x minus 3 to the power 3 and derivative of x cube 3x square plus derivative of twice x 2 into 1 minus, it is constant, so derivative of that is 0. Okay, so finally we balance it and write down the final answer, that is 3 into x plus cos x square, okay, into x cube plus twice x minus 3 to the power 4 into 1 minus sin x plus 4 into 3x square plus 2 x cube plus twice x minus 3 to the power 3. This is the final answer. Okay, so this is the final answer of the derivative of y is equals to x cube plus twice x minus 3 to the power 4 into x plus cos x cube, right? Okay, this is the fourth question which is completed here. And see, the next question is differentiate y is equals to 1 plus cos square x to the power 4 into root x plus root tan x with respect to x. Here again try to solve this question. This is your homework because video is long हो रहा है, ठीक है? So ये नहीं तो कल देख लेंगे हम, और होमवर्क के मैं कुछ एग्जांपल्स डालूंगा, वो भी आप सॉल्व करके देख लीजिए. Okay, so it is the end of the day. Thank you.